The Government of Saint Lucia is investing in one of the most important tools for national development, strategic planning. Public officers from ministries and government agencies participated in a week-long strategic policy planning workshop aimed at strengthening the skills needed to design, implement and monitor policies that deliver measurable results for the country. The training was facilitated by the United Nations Economic Commission for Latin America and the Caribbean, ECLAC, in collaboration with the Department of Economic Development. Deputy Chief Economist Kerry Joseph Matthew stated that the program was geared at preparing public officers to build stronger national and sectoral development plans.
We could appreciate that strategic planning is a function of all agencies, and so we are building the technical capacity across agencies to ensure that we are able to develop our national plan.
Participants reviewed existing strategic plans to identify gaps and challenges and develop practical solutions based on data and evidence. The training also equipped agencies to better position themselves to attract donor financing by clearly identifying developmental priorities and investment needs. Joseph Matthews said the timing of the workshop is especially significant as Saint Lucia prepares its National Development Plan and Medium-Term Development Strategy.
This also gives us a good opportunity because now Saint Lucia would be moving into developing their national plan and their medium-term strategy going forward from 2026 to 2040. And so part of that process would be able to assist us in developing that plan.
According to the World Economic Forum, organizations that embed strategic planning into decision-making are better positioned to anticipate change, manage uncertainty, allocate resources effectively, and build long-term resilience. Rather than reacting to challenges, strategic planning enables governments to make informed, evidence-based decisions that improve outcomes for citizens. Coordinator of Statistics and Social Development at ECLAC's Caribbean Sub-Regional Headquarters, Abdullahi Abdul Kadri, says effective planning begins with reliable information.
Why that is important is we need to implement what we call evidence-based processes. And in addition, we also need to make sure that there is a coherence, what we call policy coherence, such that something we did 5 years ago need to inform what we are doing currently, or what we anticipate will happen 5 years from now, we need to start planning for it. So, and what is being done at the national level, also we need to align with that at the departmental level, such that if we're doing something in a particular department, we should be able to relate it to what is being done by cabinet.
He stressed that the true success of the program will depend on participants applying what they have learned once they return to their respective organizations.
So a critical aspect of this is to create room for those who actually participate in this workshop to be able to practice the knowledge that they gain in this workshop.
ECLAC's officials expressed their commitment to strengthening strategic planning across the public sector to enhance policy coordination, improve program delivery, and ensure that national resources are directed towards initiatives that deliver the greatest impact to the people of Saint Lucia. For the National Competitiveness and Productivity Council, Glenn Simon reporting.